Imagine this. You've just received your brand new insulin pump. It's compact, it's wireless, and it helps you manage your diabetes more effectively. But it sure has a lot of features and functions. Where do you even start? This is where instructions for use, or IFUs, come in. They can guide you through each step, from priming the pump to inserting the infusion set to managing basal rates and bolus doses. When designed well, IFUs, or instructions for use, help you use your device safely and effectively. An IFU is essentially a user manual for a medical device. It tells you how to use the device, when and why to use it, provides technical specifications, maintenance requirements, troubleshooting information, and important safety precautions. IFUs are also part of the bigger picture of human factors engineering, a field dedicated to understanding how people interact with technology and using that knowledge to improve product design. Now you may wonder, why do we even need IFUs? Can't we just make the device so intuitive that IFUs become redundant? That's the goal, to be sure, but here's where human factors comes into play. Users need to know how to assemble, use, clean, store, even dispose of or reuse a device, and each step involves unique human-device interactions. Besides that, technology is evolving, moving away from simplistic designs to devices with increased functionality, often in smaller sizes. Designing these advanced devices to be intuitively understood is a significant human factors challenge, making IFUs indispensable. IFUs are also critical when it comes to user training. Sure, in-person training sessions, online courses, they're all part of human factors, but they can't replace well-designed IFUs. Imagine this, you're attending a new device training session with half a hospital department, but only one or two people at the front can see what's happening. Here again, IFUs, as a component of human factors engineering, can bridge that knowledge gap. And it's not just professionals. Lay users who may not have any medical training also rely on IFUs. Manufacturers can't provide in-person training to all potential users of a product, like an over-the-counter blood pressure cuff. Again, a well-designed IFU taking into account human factors can make all the difference. IFUs, particularly those designed with human factors in mind, can serve as a quick reference for key information. They're perfect for those who don't have the time or patience to sift through an entire online course. Despite their importance, IFUs often don't get the respect they deserve. Many people don't realize that the design process doesn't end with the physical device. IFUs are a critical part of the user interface, an extension of human factors engineering. IFUs shouldn't be an afterthought, merely checking a regulatory box. They need to be developed in tandem with the device, designed to meet users' needs and abilities. This is human factors at its best. Well-designed IFUs also enable you to reduce the amount of time and energy you spend creating new standard operating procedures for hospitals. That is, a lot of the reason that hospitals work with standard operating procedures so much and spend so much time is because the instructions for use are not good. On the other hand, creating good instructions for use can reduce that effort substantially. So the next time you find yourself on an IFU project, remember that this is more than just a piece of paper. This is an integral part of the user interface, and as a result, human factors principles need to be applied. Doing so will make that product, the user interface, and the IFU itself substantially better. As always, I hope you found this video useful. Look for more videos on instructions for use, and please like and subscribe to our content so that we can continue to make hopefully useful content for human factors engineers and user experience designers and researchers in the healthcare industry.